Hey, good day everybody. I've got these seasoned pork baby back ribs from Costco. Let's cook these up. So the first thing I'm gonna do is place them on the grill and cook on medium for 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, I got all 4 burners on. This up to about 400. I'm gonna put them right up here for 12 to 15 minutes. I'm cooking these at about 500. Okay, I'm flipping these over and we'll cook them for an additional 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to cook it for about an hour and 40 minutes at 350. So I'm going to reduce the heat, leave it on the top shelf. Yeah, those are looking good. There we go, just maintain that, just above that for about an hour and 40 minutes. All right, these ribs are done. They should be at least 175. Good to go. Oh my goodness, I just had a little piece of this. Absolutely delicious. That is good. Let's give this a go. Got a nice tanginess to it. I should put that tangy, not necessarily sweet, but that helps these ribs out a lot. That is good. It's probably some of the best hot sauce I've ever had. Not too much heat, but it's got a little bit there. It's got a little kick to it. Recommend you go get this. Comes in a 2-pack.